Give me just 9 minutes, and I'll show you how to make your outfits look like you spent double what you actually did. I know it sounds bold, but trust me, this could totally change the game for you. I'm talking about small tweaks and simple tricks that'll elevate your look to that luxurious, polished level without spending a fortune. So grab a seat, get comfy, and get ready for the best 9 minutes of your day. By the end, you'll be rocking that effortlessly rich vibe, and no one will ever guess your secret. Number 1. The fabric fake-out trick. This is where most people go wrong when trying to look expensive. Here's the truth. Luxury outfits are built on fabrics that look rich, but you don't need to drop a ton of cash to get that high-end vibe. The key is to avoid cheap-looking materials that scream, "I'm on a budget." Things like shiny polyester, stiff faux leather, and flimsy cotton blends are dead giveaways. Instead, go for matte fabrics. They always look classier than something shiny or overly glossy. Next up, choose structured fabrics like thick cotton, wool blends, or linen. These materials have a weight and depth that instantly look more expensive. And don't forget about textured fabrics. Tweed, boucle, or ribbed knits add so much dimension to your outfit. They look like you've put effort into finding something unique, but they're not expensive at all. Here's a pro tip that's game-changing. Always steam or press your clothes before wearing them. Wrinkles totally kill the luxe look. A quick steam or an iron will instantly make your outfit look polished and fresh. Number 2. Swap out those cheap buttons. Yes, buttons. You'd be amazed at how much of a difference they make in elevating your outfit. Most fast fashion brands cut corners by using flimsy plastic buttons that scream mass-produced. But here's the trick. You can swap them out for a super simple upgrade. Just a 5-minute button swap can take a regular blazer, coat, or even a basic cardigan from meh to luxury chic. So, what should you be looking for? Metal, horn, or mother-of-pearl buttons are your best friends. These materials add instant sophistication and elevate even the most basic pieces. Want to get extra fancy? Match your buttons to your outfit's vibe. Go for gold buttons if you're going for that polished, elegant look, or tortoiseshell if you're aiming for a more effortlessly chic feel. It's all about those little details that make a big impact. Trust me, once you swap out those cheap, oversized plastic buttons on that $50 jacket or coat, it'll look like something straight from a luxury boutique. Number 3. The perfectly tailored fit hack. Okay, here's the harsh truth. No matter how expensive your clothes are, if they don't fit right, they'll look cheap. On the flip side, even budget-friendly pieces can look like designer-level magic with the perfect fit. The key here is tailoring, and it doesn't have to break the bank. Shorten those long sleeves so they stop right at your wrist bone. It's a small detail, but it immediately makes your outfit look intentional. Next, pay attention to your hems. No more baggy, extra fabric hanging around. The hem should hit just right, whether you're in a skirt or a pair of pants. And speaking of pants, if you've got wide-leg trousers, taper them slightly for a sleeker silhouette. Trust me, it'll make all the difference. And here's a zero-cost hack that's super easy to pull off. Tuck in your tops strategically. That oversized, untucked shirt might seem comfy, but it can come off as sloppy. Instead, try a half tuck or a structured French tuck. It's an effortless way to add instant polish to any look, and it takes literally no time at all. Number 4. The luxe layering formula. Here's a stylish trick that's going to change your game. Layering. Expensive outfits always have depth, and that depth often comes from thoughtful layers. It's not just about throwing on a top and pants. It's about creating a look that feels complete and polished. So, how do you do this? Let me break it down. First, there's the third piece rule, a true game changer. Add a structured blazer, a chic coat, or an elegant vest to your outfit. The third piece instantly elevates your look and makes you appear way more put together. Don't just stop at the basics. Go for something that adds dimension to your outfit. Next up is monochrome layering. It's all about wearing different shades of the same color. Sounds simple, right? But it gives your outfit a super luxe, intentional vibe. Think shades of beige, navy, or black. Something cohesive that feels planned without being overdone. And here's a fun tip. Drape your outerwear instead of actually wearing it like a normal coat. Imagine a long, luxe coat casually draped over your shoulders like you just stepped off a private jet. It's the ultimate power move and adds that billionaire-level swagger to any outfit. Number 5. Shoes that secretly scream money. Your shoes can either make or break your look. Nothing cheapens an outfit faster than scuffed, dirty, or poorly made shoes. I'm talking to you about the worn-out sneakers. But don't worry, I've got the secrets to turn your footwear game around. First, neutral leather or suede is where it's at. Black, nude, or camel shades always have that high-end vibe. They're timeless and elevate even the simplest outfits. Also, steer clear of chunky plastic soles. They're a dead giveaway. Go for a sleek, simple sole that screams luxury. Now, the real hack is to polish your leather shoes regularly and brush your suede ones. It's a tiny detail that makes a world of difference. And for a super elite move, swap out the laces on your sneakers with waxed cotton laces. You'll definitely feel the difference. Number 6. Jewelry that looks rich. Here's the thing about jewelry. It can take your outfit from cute to effortlessly expensive in seconds. But don't go overboard piling on accessories. The key is choosing understated yet high-impact pieces. Here's how to get that rich look without spending a fortune. First, skip the cheap, flimsy, gold-plated pieces that fade in a few weeks. You want jewelry that lasts and looks refined. Instead, go for vintage-inspired designs like chunky gold cuffs, dainty pearl necklaces, or sleek signet rings. These styles are timeless and ooze sophistication. You'll notice that pieces like these never go out of style. Next, keep your layered chains delicate. Forget about those tangled, chunky chains that look cheap and overdone. A few simple, fine necklaces layered together always create that quiet luxury look. Number 7. The bag swap that changes everything. Here's the good news. You don't need a $5,000 designer bag to look expensive, but you do need a bag that looks like it could be. Here's how to get that luxe look without breaking the bank. First things first, skip the bags with big, loud logos. Seriously, they're more tacky than chic. The goal is understated luxury. Go for structured shapes. Think boxy totes, sleek baguette bags, or minimal leather crossbodies. These styles look timeless and elevate any outfit. Next, focus on leather or a really convincing alternative. Matte leather, in particular, always looks way more expensive than glossy finishes. You want a bag that feels rich to the touch, not something shiny and artificial. And ladies, don't forget to keep your bag clean and well-maintained. A bag with worn-out edges or peeling material will instantly make the whole outfit look cheap. A little care goes a long way in maintaining that polished, luxurious look. Number 8. The perfume trick that makes you feel expensive. Looking expensive isn't just about what you wear, it's about how you carry yourself, and nothing exudes luxury like a signature scent. Here's the trick. Choose perfumes with depth. Woody, musky, or warm notes that feel rich and last longer. Skip sugary, overpowering scents that can smell cheap and youthful. For a sophisticated vibe, apply perfume strategically on pulse points, wrists, neck, and behind your ears. Don't forget to lightly spritz your clothes for a lingering effect. Want to truly feel luxe? Layer scented body oils underneath your perfume to create a long-lasting, luxurious scent experience. It's all about creating that effortless, high-end aura without even trying. Number 9. The effortless hair and makeup rule. You can have the most expensive outfit, but if your hair and makeup aren't on point, It can totally ruin your vibe. The secret is effortless polish. You don't need to overdo it. Less is more. For hair, go for sleek buns or soft waves. Both are timeless and chic. Leave the messy, unkempt hair behind. When it comes to makeup, keep it simple. A glossy lip and glowing skin always beat heavy contouring and bold eyeshadow. And for nails, stay classic. Keep them well groomed and go for nude, red, or French tips. Trendy designs can look fun, but for that rich, sophisticated vibe, simplicity is key. Keep it elegant and let your natural beauty shine through. Even the best outfit won't save a neglected beauty routine, so keep it clean, polished, and minimal. And just like that, you've got all the tricks to make your outfits look twice as expensive without spending a fortune. It's all about details, polish, and confidence. Try these out and watch how people start assuming you spend way more on your wardrobe than you actually do. Which of these hacks are you trying first? Drop a comment below, and if you want more styling secrets, hit that subscribe button. I've got plenty more coming your way. See you in the next one.